What's up, guys? Many of you are worried about AI taking over your real estate business. It's a big worry. There's a lot of people that now, at the stroke of a couple keys, can type in, what do I need to have for marketing to be able to sell my house? What paperwork do I need to use? And they can save tens of thousands of dollars on commissions. Well, I'm here to tell you that if you don't become proactive as a real estate agent, you might fall victim to AI taking over all of your clients. Now, the one thing I can tell you is AI is not human. There are errors. We have seen people that have reached out to me that have said, hey, I looked to how much earnest money I need to put in, and it told me I needed to put in $8,000, $9,000 for a $300,000 transaction. Guys, that's way off. And as they talk to a real estate agent, they find out, oh my gosh, I could have done a ton less earnest money. And so what I'm here to tell you, AI will only replace agents that don't know what they're doing, that are not getting out and getting in front of people before they're ready to sell. The minute someone's ready to sell, they're already on AI. They're already searching up real estate agents. So as you can see on my hat, door knocking, real D2D. That is the answer to not becoming a victim to AI. And that means you go out, you knock on that door, and you say, hey, have you guys ever thought about buying, selling, or investing in real estate? And most people will tell you no. But the fact is, they have. And you're going to find that out by saying, cool, is this your forever home? And most people are going to say, no, this is not our forever home. Which then leads you into the conversation of, if you could save a ton of money by doing so sooner, would you consider it? Now, what AI can't tell you is when is the best time to sell. AI is only going to give you a proven arithmetic system that it's heard and learned from people typing in information. I can tell you today that right now we're in one of the best buyers markets that there is. In Utah, there's 14,271 homes on the market, more than you've seen in 15 years. And I can ask you and help you understand how that benefits you, what you can expect to get from offers, how much you can negotiate off the purchase price. Can you get closing costs? We've got agents right now getting 4% in closing costs from the seller. There are deals out there that I can help you find that AI is not going to help you find. So what you got to do is provide your value. Your value is this. You've got to get in front of the people, help them understand the best time to sell, help them understand the market, help them understand interest rates at their doorstep. Because the minute they start inquiring on their own, they're going to feel like they have enough knowledge based off of what AI throws at them, whether it's real or not real, and they're going to go with it. So the key factor is getting in front of people, having those conversations. You need to be talking to 300 plus people a week to be able to engage with the right people to find out who is actually interested, but they haven't made those steps. Who you can help and provide value. I'm going to tell you this, no one wants to do their own real estate transaction. No one wants to learn how to do all the paperwork. No one wants to take the risk of missing something and getting sued. But everybody wants to feel like they're saving money. So go show them how they can save money by putting in the right offer. Go show them how they can save money by finding the right deals that are on the market from someone who knows the market inside and out. Go show them a track record, a proven track record of an agent that sells a lot of real estate, that has a lot of experience. The reason people use AI is simply because, one, they want to save a bunch of money, and two, there's a lot of incompetent real estate agents out there that don't know how to sell, they don't know how to take care of their clients, that have given a bad taste to people of what a real estate agent actually is. So as you go out and you show them you're worth that 6%, and don't lower your commissions, folks. Don't lower them, because you're worth every penny of it when you know what you're doing. Go sell them on why you're the best and what you provide and how you will help them win. If they can see an easy path to winning in real estate, they're going to go every time. AI is great at writing hypotheticals. It's great at writing PowerPoints. It's great at giving you knowledge that is hyper focused around the world, but not dialed into your exact market. They don't know how many days on market each subdivision is getting. They don't have all the data that we have as real estate agents pulling from a local MLS. They're not seeing what clients are saying. They're not talking about how the economy and interest rates and all of that are affecting in each individual city, because some cities are still getting bidding wars. Why? Some cities are having stuff sit on the market for 60 days. Some cities are getting huge price reductions. What are all the details? What's happening in each city that's causing that? That's why you need a real estate agent. That's why you shouldn't be worried about AI. So go dial in on your market. Learn what you need to say. Learn who you need to say it to. Learn all of the details that you need to have, because you can overpower AI every time. Don't get scared of AI. Use it to your advantage, use it in your systems, but go be the expert door to door with the right people in the right place, and you're gonna close deals left and right. Thanks for watching today, you guys.